So we're going to separate our aluminum from our rest of the mixture.
Okay.
See if this works. Oh, you got some sulfur on there.
Someone else do this?
Is it freezing? Oh, it is too.
Okay, try knocking that off first.
But there's sulfur in it.
But that's okay. Then we can do it again.
Okay.
Are we supposed to problem solve?
Are they all off? Quite difficult. Involves a lot of strength. Can you see? Is it all off?
I think so. So this is our finished iron. If it's visible, can you see that? Okay, what's that?
And say what happened.
Here are our pellets. A bit of sulfur in there, but that's basically it. So we added water to our sulfur, and there was still some iron in it, and it went really, really gross. And what came out is the iron rusted, and it went really gross. So we're just gonna show you how we're filtering our rusted sulfur, basically, into clear salt water. I'm just using a coffee filter, and all that is.
And it started out like this
Yeah,
color.
it was really gross.
It froze.
No, it's going. Don't worry.
Turn it in. Like this color.
Yeah, it was really gross. So that's what it's turning out into. This clear looking water. It's obviously sulfur.
Then we're gonna filter it again, so then we can get all the sulfur and iron rust stuff out of it for sure.
Okay, so we have two different things now. We have the water with the salt in it, and we have the sulfur with iron. So we filtered it all. Yeah, we filtered it all out. We got the sulfur, and as you can see, it's gray, so it's got some iron in it. Now we've got the water, and it looks clear, but there should be salt in it. And we're going to go and boil it now so that all this water will evaporate, and we are left with plain salt. So we started boiling our water, and just take a look at this. Ours is the orange one. Yeah, boiling it, and it smells really strange. So we're not really sure. We might have a little bit more sulfur in there. So we've got this as a kind of a semi-finished product. So there's salt in it. I don't know if you can see that at all.
I don't want to pour it on your lap.
Like that. You can see the salt. It's orange salt. Yeah, it's very orange.
Quite a bit.
Yeah, and actually there's a lot of it. See that? All that in the back? That's all salt. It smells like sulfur, burning sulfur. It's really gross. But so it's gone down a lot. Look, it was like here. It's like down here now. Look at that. We've got this. Yeah, it's kind of weird looking.
Okay, guys,
So this is all our items together. We've got iron, sulfur, aluminum, and salt. Very orange salt.
That's got crap on it.
So we did the iron. We did the iron well. You can't see that at all. There we go. Can't see that.
Iron worked out well.
The iron worked out well, and so did the aluminum. Those two weren't very hard though. The sulfur, on the other hand, it's not very yellow. It's very gray. Yeah,
Because of the
iron.
that was left.
And then our beautiful
Orange salt.
yeah, that one didn't work very well. So obviously this experiment wasn't perfect, but you know.
But we separated the elements, and that's all that matters.
Thank you.
So we've got 4 different weights. Actually, we've got technically 8 different weights. So, first one, we've got iron filings. The weight of the dish, the petri dish, was 37.1 grams, and the weight after we put the filings in was 42.8 grams. The iron was 5.7 grams. The aluminum dish was originally 35.8 grams, and the dish weight after the aluminum was added was 53.7 grams. The aluminum was 17.9 grams. The sulfur dish was originally 41.3 grams, and then after we put the sulfur in, it is now 70.26 grams. The sulfur was 28.96 grams. And then we've got the salt, and the beaker, the 250 milliliter beaker, was 120.5 grams, and now it is 126.15 grams, and the salt was 5.65 grams. So the weight of the mixture, what we started off with, was 55.07 grams, and now the weight of the mixture is 58.21 grams. Maybe the iron, the rusted iron, is heavier than regular iron. That might be the reason. That's our only theory for right now. So the difference between our first mass and our final mass was 3.14 grams.